What's going on, guys? I get a lot of questions and comments whenever I show any Appion core remover. Some people say they're very difficult to operate, difficult to remove valve cores. So I'm just going to show you how they work for me. So as you can see, we're going to be changing that valve core right there with just a standard Appion core remover. And a lot of times what people do, I'll show you how they attempt to change it. So they'll put their core removal tool on there and they'll tighten it down super tight. They'll loosen the core and you'll be able to hear it click. Not sure if the camera will pick it up, but you can feel it when it's threaded all the way out. And then what they do is they let go of it, close it off, and they don't have any core. And they'll do that again and again, and then say, oh, the valve core tool sucks. So basically what you need to do is, number one, you don't have to torque this tool down so tight on the service valve. So all that's doing is compacting the gaskets that are inside of here and making the diameter smaller so it catches the valve core. So what you need to do is grab that valve core again, make sure that it's all the way out, and then continue to rotate as you open the valve core. Let the stem back out, close the ball valve, and you get the valve core every single time. That's all you have to do. Super simple. We'll just put a fresh core in there, screw her back down, open the ball valve, and thread her back in. And you just want it snug. You don't want to torque it down, just snug. And usually I'll just crack it open just like that, and then gently open the ball valve just to make sure you don't have any leaks. Once you do that, you're good to go. So again, most of the time the problems arise when you tighten this fitting here too much and when you don't slowly back out the depressor once you've released the valve core. So hope that helps, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.